What else we got?
I choose to talk about trains.
All right. That's Thomas.
It's a rather small Thomas.
It is when you hold it that far away.
It
Maybe
is.
we're looking from top. Oh, that's a bit close. It looks a bit bigger now.
Let's go
All
to
right,
overhead
so
town.
let's-
They still can't see it. You got to push the buttons.
Yeah, the buttons. There you go.
So this is a 00 gauge. Well, HO, yeah?
Yeah. So 00HO.
00HO.
So pretty much the same as Hornby and Branchline.
And this is from Bachmann.
Yes.
And this one comes with moving eyes.
Yeah.
Which I'd like. We should have actually got the little dyno out and had him running. It would have been
Might be
hilarious
a little
to
bit
see.
spooky.
To see his little eyes running. Actually, it's designed so I can't get into
Well, they're
it.
childproof, you see. So.
Well, that's no good. No? 12 volts. I'll put that up to 110 on the machine and watch his little head spin.
Oh, he'll be going back and forth.
So that is really cool. And I guarantee you that this will be sold, won't it?
in a jiffy.
This one will be sold in a jiffy, especially
Well,
this
Thomas
time of
hasn't been
year.
around for a while.
Why
He had
not?
his friends.
Where's he been?
Percy and stuff. I know he's been on holiday, but he's back now.
We did have the giant Percy and the rather large Thomas and the giant Percy. That was they both sold, didn't they?
They did.
They were probably the last ones that we had.
Well, we actually thought they were this size. And when they came in, we got a bit of a surprise.
Did you?
A bit bigger than we imagined.
Percy's always bigger when you hold it.
So there's all the friends, yeah? So we've got Thomas and
More
something
friends,
else as well.
more friends than me, that's
we
for
didn't,
sure.
We didn't get the full range.
Didn't
Because
get
they're
the
not
full
always
range.
available. But I'm pretty sure another one came in.
Percy the small engine, James the red engine. So he's just the red engine.
He's just red.
Just red.
Yep.
It's not easy being red.
No.
All right. That's the red engine.
Yep.
What else have we got?
We got other stuff
I'm
too.
gonna put this down somewhere safe. I'm not walking away.
How about this one?
You had me at hello.
Hello. It's a bit hard to see, isn't it? Well, this is a little 009. And this
009
let's
at
check it
the
over
moment, and I do say at the moment, is my favorite scale.
here. Is it?
Well, it's the only scale that I've modelled.
Oh, yeah, that's
Remember,
true.
Mark, we built that little track. It's in
Yeah.
the window. If you'd like to see it and you're in the city,
Oh, that's right. You moved it, haven't you?
I've put it in the window. So
This is probably going to be easier to see if we pulled it out of the box, but it looks spectacular. So
are you going to
this
pull it out
is
of the
a
box?
little, this is a little Welsh, because in Wales.
How do you know?
Well, Wales do have a lot of narrow gauge trains.
What? N scale?
Real ones.
They
I'm
have
sure they've got
real,
a lot of,
real N scale.
yeah, I'm probably got a lot of N scale and also 009s there
Have
as
I
well.
told you lately how soft your hands look on camera?
Not lately,
You should be
but
a
I
hand
don't
model.
remember you telling me before. How's that? That's what you're getting for free. All right. So,
Oh my god! Look at the
Nice.
copper pipe. That
this is.
lucky that the little layout's not here. That's all I can say.
Oh,
This one would be doing laps.
yeah, we're doing 100
Hey?
miles an hour. How's that?
I'd never
do you
forget.
reckon?
Never forget the look on Marlon's face. Hey, when he heard that. What are
Like,
you?
what are you doing?
Wow!
What does that nameplate say?
What does it say? Blanche.
Does it?
Which
How
is
detailed is it?
funny
How
because
nice
it's
is
not
it?
white. It's probably the opposite of white. I'd call it pretty black.
And look at the valve gear.
Where?
It's got a nice angled valve gear on the front.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. And the brass dome.
Yep.
Got round windows.
What's in the
Pretty
dome?
cool. What's in the dome? I don't know. What is in the dome? A lot of things have a dome. Look at the internal detail there.
These guys must have little hands.
Oh,
The guys that model this stuff.
this is a bit out of focus, isn't it? Is that better?
Oh, need to put your glasses on.
Oh, that's better. Look at that.
Oh, that is crisp.
The little round windows at the back too. And this is where the 009 bit comes into it.
Oh, sound fitted.
So that's, oh, it is too. That's a bit special. So this will be DCC sound fitted.
Wow.
So that's a 9mm gauge there, which
Yep.
is the same as N gauge.
Same as Engage.
Yeah. So if you want to truly scale, then you get the true spaced sleepers of 009, but you can use N gauge as well. Just look a little bit out of place because the sleepers are tighter together.
But isn't that what we have the 009 scale?
We've
Didn't
got
we
both.
We use the crazy track on our little layout. there,
Crazy
didn't we?
Track's 009. Yeah.
Yeah,
I like
009.
Crazy Track because it looks crazy. Look at that. How nice is it?
It's pretty nice.
Beautiful. And a little funnel.
I think that's going to be my favorite until the TT 120 comes out.
But look at that piping there across the top.
How do they get that there?
How's it get? Well, I think someone puts it on.
I'm sure it's just made like that.
It doesn't mean.
I'm sure.
Oh,
I'm sure it just comes in a box like that.
does it? Oh, that's amazing, isn't it? That is just beautiful. Love that.
And all the valve gear here will work.
Yeah, that all works.
Look.
Yeah, that all moves. Yep. It's going to be a bit hard to move around now because they're so highly geared, right? So you can't really turn these over.
No, and it's worm drive.
Yes.
You can't spin it because it's worm drive.
Well, you can. It'll just break.
We don't want that.
No. Nice. But that's not the only thing we've got, right?
What else do we get?
Well,
Now you've taken it out of the box. It may not go back in.
Well, you're going to keep it.
I might. I love that little loco.
Nice.
I'm not sure what I like about it, but I do like it.
Cool. We also have one of these. This is a Class 37.
That's really good because I thought the Class 38 was too much.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, you preferred the previous model?
I preferred the previous model. I'm a purist.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is part of the modernisation of British Rail. So remember, I think was it last week we had a look at a little shunter.
Oh, what did you call me?
You heard me. And there was the period where they were transitioning between steam and diesel. So this is part of that modernisation process of the diesels going in. So this particular one,
It's in the box, just so you know.
is from the 1960s. Okay, so there were 309 of the Class 37s made between 1960 and 1965. And they're so popular that in 1985, they refurbished them. So this is a refurbished model. And they did that for 135 of them.
And then you can buy that again into 2022
That's right.
in scale.
That's right. So can you imagine that? They used them over quite a few decades.
Why not?
Yep.
If they're not worn out.
No, that's right. And this particular one is, who is this one?
Mary, Queen of Scots. Or did I just give it away?
I think you might
That
have
is
given it away.
definitely the Mary, Queen of Scots.
But if we just pull it back here,
Don't pull it back too far.
oh, it's a bit hard to see, isn't it?
Well, it is when you got it like that.
There's the front end,
Or it could be the back.
all the back, got the driver's compartment there. Look at all this fine venting. Got the handles. Should we pull this out of the box too?
No,
You don't want to pull it out of the box?
no, I'm a bit scared of that one. It's a bit long for me. So it could break. I could snap in half.
Oh, no.
No, I want the person who buys this one to be the first one to pull it out of the box.
Fair enough. All right, so we're going to keep this one mint.
No?
All right.
I mean, we do take good care. I put the other one away already, but
Yes.
they scare the living daylights out of me.
How nice is it? Well, I mean,
It's
they're
so
pretty
nice.
much jewelry, yeah?
And how heavy is it?
Yeah, there's a lot of weight. Well, the more weight you have them in, the more
The heavy they are.
stability.
Stability. So it can handle rough terrain
So it sits on the track and
When-
looks scale.
when you turn it up to 111.
Yeah, well, your speeds, yes, the supersonic speeds.